Ho Chi Minh City is stepping up the rollout of electronic fishing logbooks, replacing handwritten records with a digital system. More than 2,800 fishing vessels in the city are required to adopt the system, with full data synchronization targeted from January 1st next year. Our reporter Hai Nam has more.
Instead of filling in different forms before, during and after every fishing trip, fishermen in Ho Chi Minh City can now record required information with just a few taps on their phones.
We declare how much fuel and ice we take on board, then register our departure and enter the catch volume after the first haul. When we return, we just press arrive at port, and that's it.
At first, I thought it would be difficult as I'm not good with technology, but now I find it simple, convenient, and much neater. We no longer have to deal with all that paperwork.
For many fishermen in Ho Chi Minh City, their phones are now replacing pages of paperwork. From the moment a vessel sets sail, details including its catch and fishing locations are recorded electronically. And as soon as the boat returns and enters the port, that information is uploaded directly to the management system, creating a transparent trail all the way from the fishing routes to the authorities. The benefits are also being felt onshore. Previously, port officials had to manually check fishing logbooks and in many cases recalculate catch volumes when entries were incorrect. But fishing records are not supposed to be altered after the fact. Digital entry helps minimize such errors.
Previously, checking one vessel would take me around 15 to 20 minutes. With the electronic logbook, it takes only about 5 minutes. Overall, it has reduced our workload by around 70%.
More than 2,800 fishing vessels of 12 meters or longer in Ho Chi Minh City must adopt electronic logbooks by January 1st, 2027. So far, around 20% have done so. The city is stepping up outreach and hands-on training to speed up the rollout.
We have worked with software providers to provide the system to fishermen free of charge, making it easier for them to adopt the new technology. The providers are also ready to support fishermen around the clock.
As the system can store fishing for months, digitizing fishing logbooks can therefore improve both the accuracy and transparency of seafood traceability, supporting Vietnam's efforts to have the EC's IUU yellow card lifted.